What's up YouTube, my name is Kaylan and welcome to my channel. Channel consists of tech, gaming and toys. Yeah, I love toys. What more could you ask for? So I'm going to kick off first video of mine with a drone. This is called the Volkano Wave Series. Very nice drone. This is side view. The back has some details which I'll go over in a second. And inside it does have some, looks like pictures that you can't take off with the drone because it does have a camera. Now, onto the back. It's a 480 Wi-Fi camera, which is pretty cool, decent video quality. It is adjustable by 30 degrees. It has first person view, altitude hold, so when you fly it does stay in the same spot. It does have 3-speed control, low, medium and high, so that's pretty cool. Automatic lift and landing makes it much easier for the user to take off the drone and land the drone. Headless mode, meaning the front of the drone can actually become the back and vice versa, so it'll be much easier for the user to control. It does have a one key return, so if your drone is flying far away from you, click the button, it just comes right back. It does 360 degree flips, man, I can't even do one flip. And it does have a bag, so guessing you can just toss your drone in a bag and hit the road. Now the flight time is kind of low, you can only fly for 10 minutes and the charge time is 120 minutes. The drone's battery is a 900 milliamp hour. The controller does not come with batteries, but you need 3 AA batteries to use it. And the distance that the drone can go without the camera being on is 80 meters and 30 meters with the Wi-Fi camera. Included in the box is the drone, obviously, the rechargeable battery, controller, an instruction manual, a carry bag, USB charging cable, a screwdriver, 4 screws, 4 blade guards, and spare blades. Now, without further ado, let's crack open this bad boy. Oh, that's a nice matte finish on the drones. Does come with the guards to protect the blades, and the blades are actually plastic, so that's pretty nice. Better than being metal. Got a smaller box there. I'm sure the controllers and the bag is inside. Let's get this off. And there you go, guys. That's the drone. It's pretty cool looking. Does look like a shark in the front. Guessing these are the lights. And this is the 480 HD camera. Underneath it does have the on and off switch for the drone, and I'm guessing this is the battery. There you go, guys. It does take a micro USB charging cable to charge the battery, and again, to charge the battery is 2 hours, and the drone is a flight time of 10 minutes. Let's open this up. And wow, that's a pretty nice controller. We got the instruction manual, spare blades, the screwdriver and micro USB to charge the battery, and this nice black velvet bag for your drone. Pretty cool. Now the drone does fold, so in order for you to fold the drone, you actually have to remove these guards. It's pretty easy to move, just pull them off. And you fold the back of the drone first. So fold these guys in, and then you fold the top ones in. It's pretty sleek looking. You can just toss it in your bag. Now the controller, it actually resembles an Xbox controller. The buttons are really tricky. I'm sure you guys can hear that. These are the analog sticks. It does have a takeoff land button as well as an emergency stop. Power on your drone, and I believe these are trim buttons. This is a stand that you can actually put your mobile in there and use your mobile to take out pictures and record videos. Now, one more thing I should mention is that in order to video, the drone does need a micro SD card which goes in here, and you actually do need the app. Anyways guys, that's a quick unboxing for you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like the video, show your support, and I'll make sure to do more of these videos. Take care. Peace.